All right, guys, we back here working on some trucks today. Been sick for a while. I don't know what kind of virus that was going around, but it sure was a good one. I don't know, I've been sick for probably 3 to 4 weeks. Just couldn't shake the thing. I'm still congested and all, but we're gonna get over it now and get back to work here. So we're back on this old red truck. We're gonna get the bumper and the tailgate put back on this thing here. We got to change these brackets out on the bumper here. These brackets right here are for a 1/2 ton truck with a short frame. So I got to put the bright brackets that I got here off of a 2500 HD. They're set up because the frame here is a lot taller on a 2500 HD.
Boy, he's thick, boy!
Than it is on a 1500. So somebody's changed this bumper in the past. They've bent the back of the truck up, rent the other bumper, and they've swapped this bumper out with a 20 or a 1500 bumper and brackets, and it just didn't look right. So we'll get these dents here beat out the best we can, and then we'll get the brackets changed out on this bumper. So the bumper itself is the same, it's just these brackets here. These brackets are for a 1500 truck. We'll get the right brackets set in there and get this thing back together so we can either use her for a tow truck, or we can get her down the road to somebody else. So I'm gonna set you up on the tripod here and get to work. Put a little looby-dooby on.
I'll get the lubricant.
There's no time for lubricant.
There's always time for lubricant!
All right, flip.
Rusted ones, so hopefully they'll come out without breaking off. Those are some carriage bolts that fit flat on them fenders. I mean, on them that bumper, they're a tough one to get out if they don't stay. These 1/2 ton brackets off, and we'll put the heavy duty brackets on there. The old Milwaukee's a little too strong for some of them bolts, so now we gotta get that broke bolt out. Got our bumper back on there, so it's all back up like it should be, up nice and high. High and tight, just the way we like them. Get our cover snap back on here. Back like new again. Woo-hoo. Right, tight, and ready to roll.
My udders are on fire!
Higher? You got it!
All right, guys, we got this old red truck here. I think we got her just about ready to start driving it. It's got everything done to it I can for right now anyway. So let's take a walk around on this thing and look at what we got here. So if you remember what she looked like when we first got her, she got the 6-liter gas engine. Just a basic old work truck. He's got the air conditioned seats from the factory. He's got a little better stance now, some better looking wheels on her. She's all cleaned up, clean as we can get her for what we want to put into it. So she's looking good. Looks a whole lot better than she did when we had her on the trailer there when we brought her home. She's just an old work truck though. Got that bumper looking good. Got the spacing right on the bumper and the tailgate. Got some nice 285 70 17s on it. Got the bed all cleaned out, got all the trash out of it. We got the door panels all cleaned up, got the new rubber mat in it. Got some cloth seats out of another truck I had down here, another parts truck. Had some nice cloth seats in it. We got those put in it. Got the dash all cleaned up. Got all the plastics back in around the doors. Got the shifter plastic on there for the 4-wheel drive. Need to find a lid for the console. It was broke off of the thing. Those things usually break, but you can usually get one on Amazon pretty cheap. Got her all cleaned up. She's only got 101,000 miles on her. Air conditioning works good. She fires right up. Got good oil pressure. No check engine lights, but the airbag light seems to stay on. Got something unplugged somewhere. A bad sensor maybe. She's right tight and ready to roll. Drive her around for a little while and we'll decide whether we're just gonna sell it or keep it. Hey guys, we're gonna finish up this little video on this red truck here, and so we want to thank you for watching. And if you have any comments, just put them down there below, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys.